Galas Ball Club Season 9 Job Architect kasi pangalan ni versus Jackie Jones. Chongla pa sa Sumanga ni crossover pa sa ilalim number 22 gi sa lipdan ko. Sumanga easy one ay wala, rebound by Nagita. Number 42 Senas pass to Nagita. Boseng daklag wala, oy foul by jersey number 17. Nagita to bangko, uy ay ka wala. Defense by Kobe ng Higalas. Dribbling the ball, uy habog ra. Boseng daklag Bangkoyo basa number 42 ningay sag 3 wala, bola sa Job Architect. Chongla crossover, Chongla pa rin pass sa Sumanga to number 22. Grabe, Chongla easy one guy na shot ra gyud. Chongla Boseng daklag pass to Nagita to daklag to Bangkoyo free throw line wala, rebound by number 22. 2-0 ang score, lamang ang Job. Sumanga to Chongla for 3 short na rebound number 17 walang rebound. Daklag to Nagita pass by ilalim, oy nice pass, oy Bangkuyo. Chongla Domeretso, yay wala na rebound ni Chongla, bola sa symbol. Chongla susubok ulit ng 3, patay ang tiki. Kobe ng Higalas wala, nakuha ni Sumanga. Idlas kay bola di masyato. Rebound by Bangkoyo crossover Bangkoyo. Oy, what a nice moves by Bangkoyo. Number 22 Domeretso na easy one, jersey number 22 right shot. Boseng daklag dribbling the ball. Boseng nangita kapasan pass by Bangkoyo defense by Chongla. Defense muntikan hapit. Nagita for 3 bang wala, nice defense. Yan peng number 17 ay easily up. Score 6-4 in favor Job Architect. Boseng daklag dribbling the ball. Boseng nangita kapasan pass number 42 pass by jersey number 24 sa ilalim wala, defense nice rebound by number 22. Gidable si Mana. Sumanga to Kobe mo diretso dili. Kobe gi wala ni Kobe, nice one. Nagita dribbling the ball, ay defense Nagita pa rin. Pass to Boseng daklag pass by number 42, nabuyan ang bola. Sorry. Time out team Jackie Jones. Score 4-8 in favor of Job Architect. Chongla to Sumanga to number 17 pass by Kobe pick sa ilalim, kita bagagtulo number 17. Oy gabi gibali-bali na, walay kapasahan gyud. Kobe again, ay sayang. Number 24 nice pass na wala, sayang. Nagita wala pa rin, walay foul.
2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Nice defense by Bangkoyo. Symbol. Sumanga. Paso Chongla. Malas yun. Bangkoyo. Ay, wala. Nice rebound by number 24. Bossing the clock. Oy, nice shot. Alanganin. Number 22. Oy, nice one. Daklag. Nageta. Oy, nice rebound. Ay, nice rebound. Pass break by Chongla. Nabuyan ang bola. Chongla foul. Number 17. Ay, nice shot. Nice shot. Kobe, nabuyan ang bola. 38 seconds in first quarter.
35 seconds.
Number 24. So Nagita for 3. Bang! Nagita, 3 points. 15 seconds in first quarter. Chongla, pass by number 17. Pick. Number 7. Oy, nice one. Ay, nakalusot. Daklag, pass break. Ay, sayang. Labay na. Half court. Boom. Time for the first quarter. Score 13-14 in favor Team Job Architect. Time for the second quarter. Let's go. Marata to number 3. Uy, nice pass sa ilalim. Good defense by Nangkil. Pass break by Angas. Nang higalas. Ay, wala. Villanueva paso Monte Alegre. Easy one by Monte Alegre. Nice one. Lance driven the ball, double team. Pass to Angas. Stepping one. Sorry guys. Marata dribbling the ball. Pass to Monte Alegre to Villanueva. Titira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Angas. Pass break by Nangkil foul. Naabutan pa. Foul by Marata. Uy, mga fans yan. Gakaulo. Villanueva. Uy, nice pass. Monte Alegre. Nice one. Yes. Whoop. Lance. Uy, nice pass. Ay, kagwapo itong pasa. Uy, balik lang yung sagdula. Lagi. Second quarter. Balik sagdula. Dula masya sa first quarter.
Foul number 10 seconds to shoot.
Angas. Rebound by Lance. Foul by Marata. Nice rebound by Lance. Kuha mo dipin sa mga tahanan. Habog ra. Nakuha ni Villanueva. 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 Nice pass by Marata. Why? Easy score by Marata. Grabe is Marata. Kung mo dipinsa. Kami Marata mo dipinsa na. Murag haluan na. Pas-pas kayo. Na defense. Ay, wala. Wow. Monte Alegre. Angas. Kalimpong. Oy, nice shot. By Kalimpong. Villanueva. Pas. Ay, nabuhian ang bola. Foul. Palarka. Palarka. Foul. Kalimpong. Ay, nice defense, oh. Muntikan pa. Lance. Number 17. Ay! Daghang turnover. Marata dribbling the ball. Pass by Villanueva. Pass sa gilid. Boy, defense! Angas ng Higalas. Pass break. Angas! Nice rebound by Nangkel. Lance to Nangkel. Libo pa rin. Referee magpurma. 22-20 in favor Jackie Jones. Foul. Rebound pa gitu. Marata. Job. Nice one. Lance. Nice pass by Nangkel. Score 24-22 in favor of team Jackie Jones. Villanueva sa sobok ng 3. Wala. Kusog yung managan mga bataan eh. Babara kayo. Nakuha ni Monte Alegre. Wala. Palarka wala pa rin. Villanueva. Wala yun. Uy. Oops. Oh. Nice kagas. Angas ng Higalas. Good. Kalimpong.
Basketball foul. Foul jersey number 7, blocking foul. Second goal, 1 minute 30 seconds.
Palarka.
10 seconds to
Pass
shoot.
to Villanueva. Defense. Lance pa rin. Foul counted by Lance. Nice one. Perfect. Ay, wala. Marata. Oy! Grabe ka. Shooter sa Marata. Ay. Lance to Kalimpong. Ay, baba ra kayo.
50 seconds.
Di balik pa man. Ay ka.
30 seconds.
Number 17 is a layup. Seconds to play. Defense lang. Continue yung oras. Galo.
30 seconds.
O, patra na.
20 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Uy, nice defense by Kalimpong. Pass to Lance. Lance giwala. Uy, nice moves. Grabe kalutaw na. 5 seconds to shoot. Monte Alegre may kapasahan. Defense. Half court. Boom! Time for the second quarter. He scored 30-28 in favor sa Jackie Jones dalawa. Chongla, pass to Nangkel to Chongla to Angas for 3, bang! Alaka, Angas, nahigalas. Babawi ng 3, loko. Nice good. Chongla.
There's a foul. Foul.
Ay, natuhod. Busing Daklag. Nice shot by Busing Daklag. Langanin. Oh, may gani. Ay, naboyan.
Shot clock 14. Tirabos.
Ketulgo na espiritu bay.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ay, naboyan. Daklag. Oy, travel pa gito. Kabalos. Chongla. Pass by Nangkel. Ay, wala. Busing Daklag. Giwala. Foul by Nangkel. Perfect shot by Daklag. Wow, expensive.
There's a foul. Basketball out. Foul number 3. Wala. There's a foul. Foul number 13. Adron.
Foul si Kobe.
Adron first. 13 foul now. 10 seconds to shoot.
Daklag. Bang, guys. One by Daklag. The half job. Architect score. 48-31 in favor of Team Jackie Jones.
46 again.
Ah, ah.
The block will be 10 seconds to shoot.
Angas. Eh, muntikan. Ay, nice pass. Kobe ng Higalas. Oh, nice one. Chongla, dumito. Uy, uy mga kulang kay player. Kobe. Bang! Nice shot.
One minute, 50 seconds. Pangalanan. One minute, 30 seconds. Pangalanan.
Bossing.
One minute. Seconds on the way.
Uncle Am.
50 seconds. Big winner.
Daklak sa ilalim. Dumiritso.
40.
40 seconds in third quarter. Chongla for 3. Bang! Wala yun. Rebound by Nangkil. Na!
30.
Nice block by Kobe.
The ball.
Nice defense.
18 seconds. Roman Shotla.
Chongla. Easily up by Chongla.
10.
10 seconds.
15 will be done. Warning. 9 seconds. 5.
Bang! 3 points. Number 4. Time for the third quarter. Score 67-41 in favor Jackie Jones. Time for the last quarter. Nagita. Bangkuyo sa gilid. Wala. Nice rebound. Lanzo Kobe. Nice pass. Kobe! Ng Higalas. Nice man. Number 3. Wow, grabe. Oh. Sumanga babawi. Nice shot by Sumanga.
Turnover.
Nice pass. Kalimpong. Nice one.
Tatla Putrin. Personal. Foul jersey number 26. Panggulo.
Goal. Kalimpong. Nice one. Back to back shot.
Sobat-sobat Brady Alawang. Zambido. Panggulo. Panggulo. Alright. Five minutes. There's a foul. Right foul. Out this.
Uy, wala ba? Kobe.
10 seconds to shoot.
Kobe pa rin sa sabok ulit. Nawala yun. Nice pass. Nawala yun ba? Malas. Nice one.
Next baseman, Elite versus Mikey. 4 minutes for the final quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Ready ada bola. Last one. Tatla Putrin. For foul. Foul for second. Sabi na siya.
Lance. Uy, nice shot!
Three minutes. Score 79 against 55. Jackie goes. Shot clock 14. And
Leon, nanginon. Nanginan si Leon.
Lance! Foul. Sumanga, susubok ng tres. Bang, wala. Rebound by Chongla. Chongla, wala. Rebound by Kalimpong. Wala yun. Kobe. Foul.
35.
Nice defense by Kobe. Nice one. Nice defense. Kalimpong. Rebound by Sumanga. Kobe for three. Bangi, wala.
Mighty version.
Nice move too. Kalimpong, 3 points, short. Timeout job scored 83-56 in favor Jackie Jones. Sumanga, wala. Rebound by Kalimpong. Kalimpong sa ilalim. Villanueva, susubok ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Chongla. Pass break by Sumanga.
Last 1 minute. Second, roll the play for the final contest.
Defense by Nangkel. Nice one. Chongla for 3. Bang! 3 points by Chongla.
20 seconds.
Oh,
Very motivated. 25. Alright. 20 seconds, goal shot clock. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Pangalanan.
latos man.
Score.
Nangkel score 60.
And the winner.
67-88 winner by Jackie Jones. Congrats. Balik na.